Today, we're diving deep into two exciting rumors surrounding the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6, pre-order deals, and the possibility of free Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Samsung recently kicked off their reservation system for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, hinting at potential savings of $1,500 or more for pre-orders. Now, thanks to emails sent to some customers, we have a clearer picture of how those savings might stack up. First up, trade-in value. Samsung mentions up to $1,200 for eligible trade-ins. This likely applies to high-end devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy S24 Ultra, but other phones might get you close too. Remember, during Fold 5 pre-orders, Samsung offered full trade-in value for many devices. Next, we have a sweet double storage upgrade, a freebie valued at $240. This could translate to getting 1 TB of storage instead of 512 gigabytes, or potentially a jump from 256 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes, depending on the storage options offered. This is a significant boost considering typical upgrades from 256 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes usually cost around $100 to $150. The bonanza doesn't stop there. Samsung might also throw in a free year of Samsung Care Plus, valued at $156. This service provides comprehensive protection for your foldable phone, including unlimited repairs, same-day cracked screen fixes, theft and loss coverage, and 24/7 support. A valuable addition for a premium device like the Z Fold 6. And just for reserving your Fold 6, Samsung throws in an extra $50. That's right, just for sharing your name and email, you get a head start on the savings. While there's talk on the potential price hike for the Z Fold 6 and its foldable sibling, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, Samsung might sweeten the deal with a free pair of Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. According to reliable tech insider Roland Quan, pre-ordering either foldable could land you these top-of-the-line wireless earbuds at no extra cost. It's important to note that this rumor might not translate everywhere. However, reports suggest US customers are likely to get these earbuds as a pre-order bonus. The exact time frame for this offer remains unclear. It could be a pre-order exclusive or a general post-launch promotion. Traditionally, Samsung offers better deals during pre-orders, so hopefully, the free storage upgrade remains alongside the potential free earbuds. On July 10th, the wait is finally over. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event will officially unveil the new foldables, and we can expect to see at least 2 new Galaxy smartwatches and potentially a fitness tracking smart ring. To build hype, Samsung has already started plastering giant billboards in major cities worldwide, promoting the event with the message "Galaxy AI is here." This suggests the new foldables will showcase the latest Galaxy AI features following their debut on the S24 series earlier this year. Are these pre-order deals enticing enough? Would free Galaxy Buds 3 Pro sway your decision? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser-focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this, a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware, thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16 gigabytes RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GePs. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080p resolution and 60 FPS. A dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.